Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa V and I'm here with another video. So I'm looking pretty rough. Is this gonna focus? I'm looking pretty rough, but I'm wearing my jacket and I'm about to go outside. I talked to you guys last night and I wasn't sure if I was going to be vlogging, but oh hey there. I decided that I am going to vlog at least a little bit, just let you know my experience. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, let me back up a minute. I'm from Austin, Texas, and we are currently in the middle of a snowstorm. So I'm going to be showing you guys what outside looks like. I might show you a couple of clips from the news. I'm very, very, very fortunate in the sense that where I'm at, I have not lost power. I have power, but I have low water pressure, so I'm having to boil my water if I want to use it for drinking or eating or washing my hair, not my hair, my face or my hands. There's no way to spin this. I look crazy. So let me go ahead and show you guys what outside looks like. So I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see that there's actual snow falling. There's snow falling. And there's already snow on the ground. We don't have a ton because nothing fell yesterday, but we'll see. Here in a minute, I'm going to walk Cupcake and I'm going to take you with me. Are you ready to go outside? Yeah. Yeah. Are you ready? All right, let me leash it up. Come here. Come here. We're gonna go be me leashing her up. I'm hoping this doesn't fog when I go outside. This towel's here, you know, just for wet feet, whatnot. Let's head on out. Snow is falling. My ass. Okay. Try not to fall. Taking it easy. These bottom steps down here were like frozen yesterday, so not trying to bust my ass. Oh, and I forgot Cupcake's jacket. I was gonna put her jacket on. Try not to get my camera wet. Let's go this way. Come on. We're gonna come this way. We'll show you guys. Let me get under here real quick. This way. Come on. I was gonna put her jacket in. I totally forgot. Come on, little girl. Come on. I have to be fast because her feet get cold. And of course, I'll carry her if she looks like she's struggling. Freak. I guess they're just out here taking pictures. A little family across the street of the snow. Slipping and sliding. I mean, there's cars on the road. There's some snow. I don't know if you guys can tell. Cupcake. Come here. Hey. Come here. Come here, pretty girl. Hey. Hey. Looks like she's getting pretty cold out here. Look how pretty that is. Let me see if I can get closer and y'all can see the snow falling. Everybody's over the snowfall at this point because it's been going on for days. I feel like more is starting to fall. More is starting to fall. Alright, so we made it back after our walk, and I did try to get footage of like that it's actually snowing right now. Today is Thursday, I guess February 18th. And yeah, like I said, I've been fortunate enough to have electricity, so I'm keeping warm. However, the water pressure is really low, so I'm going to be showing you guys that. I am going to also make myself some coffee and just kind of walk you guys through my day, see what's up. Not a whole lot happening. I do got to get some work done today, so we'll see. What's are gross. Alright, so the day before I lost water pressure, I had washed my dishes, so I do have a few dishes here. This bowl here is in here because I've been using it to put water to wash my hands, and I can't even use the water from my faucet. So also before shit went awry, I had filled these two up with water, so I've been using this one to like wash my hands and face and stuff. And then here on the stove, pardon my dirty stove, but yeah, that's really gross. Let me get this out. Alright, so here on the stove I have some dirty pots basically, and then this big pot here that's literally just boiling water for me to be able to consume or use for cooking or washing my hands and face, brushing my teeth. This tub right here is already filled with water that has been boiled, and then this one over here is waiting to be boiled. And the reason I did that is because I didn't know if I was going to lose water, period. So yeah, there's that. So that's basically what's happening. I think I'm gonna make myself some coffee. Hi, daily vlogger here. And maybe some breakfast. So I'm gonna set you guys up so you guys can watch me. Alright, so I just put the bacon in and I kind of ripped it, but there's that. So I don't know that the position I have you guys in is the best one, so I don't know if I'm going to do like the whole time-lapse thing, but you're going to see what I'm getting into for sure. So this is our bacon. Quite a bit of bacon, especially since I ripped it. It looks like double. All right, so I can't say that I'm about to do some work, but what I can say is I'm about to drink my coffee. It's dark on this side. I'm about to drink some coffee. Maybe put on some TV. I've been wanting to rearrange my living room. This is a hot mess, guys. It's not cute. Like, it's the most non-cohesive part of my apartment. Like, I worked on my room, I worked on my bathroom, so I think my next project is gonna be my living room. I need a new couch and like new furniture. But for now, I think I'm gonna rearrange it. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I've been wanting to do it for the past couple of days. And just like in true Vanessa fashion, tomorrow I have to go back to work. So today is the day I'm thinking about rearranging my living room. So, just waiting on that bacon to cook. Then I'm gonna cook myself some eggs. I'm probably gonna put on some YouTube or something right now. I downloaded a new software for video editing, so I'm thinking I can try that out. Hopefully for this next video that's coming out on Friday, but we will see. If you guys are new to my channel, I release videos every Monday and Friday. And then of course this week is, you know, our favorite topic, the Texas winter storm or snowstorm. So I guess I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Maybe I'll show you what I make fully. This coffee is really good. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Bye. All right, so I wanted to update you guys because I'm making a meal that I realize most of you guys probably have never tried before. In this pan, I have whole kernel corn. See if it's gonna focus. And a little bit of oil. And I'm going to be adding eggs. And it's gonna be like scrambled eggs with corn. Let me know if you guys have tried that before. I don't know if it's like a Mexican thing or a poor folk thing or what, but I grew up on it and it's delicious. Over here we have our bacon, what's up, and I need a spoon or something to cook with. So, just wanted to update you guys on what I decided to cook for breakfast. And I need to feed my baby, but look at her bowls. I think I did haul these. So she has some leftover food from yesterday, so she's gonna get some new food and new water. So this is what the corn with egg looks like right now. Let me see if I can get a good shot of it. Focus on the corn and egg. Maybe not so much. Let me see. This is what the corn and egg look like. It's really yummy. I'm about to serve myself some of that and some bacon on this here plate. And I guess I'm gonna eat, maybe watch some TV and do some work. And then I'll check back in with you guys, let you know what I've accomplished, what I haven't accomplished. Also, I changed from jeans to my Tro pajamas, so shout out to my Tro. I'm gonna shout out to my Tro pajamas. I don't know if you guys can see them, but yeah. All right, talk to you guys later. We didn't forget our jacket this time. Cupcake. Hey. Much later in the day, it's almost like 6 p.m. Bringing her out for another walk. Okay. We're in the parking lot. After I get inside, I'm going to be getting ready to film a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I'm also going to be filming a couple of TikToks. So if you still don't follow me, okay, I say if you still don't follow me, nobody follows me there. So if you have a TikTok, drop it down below. Let me follow you. If you fuck with me, follow me back. But yeah, we out here. I actually almost slipped on this earlier. Wait up. Alright, go on with your bad self. Whoa. Quite a difference. Let me turn down this light. Alright guys, so I'm sitting in bed. I'm about to take off this makeup. I did this because I filmed a video. So cute. Who am I? Actually my hair was down. I'm gonna show y'all. I actually curled my hair. I never do anything to my hair. It just does what it does on its own. So that was the look I was rocking today. I was wearing like a really cute lace dress because I filmed some TikToks. And I was trying to get some cute pictures of this makeup look. I used the Huda Beauty palette that came in my BoxyCharm this month. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll post a link because I'm pretty sure that's going to come out before this does. Just because it's already like the end of February, so I gotta hurry up and get that out. But yeah, I like this. It's cute. So I'm about to take off my makeup, but I did want to hop on here. Oh yeah, the whole reason I'm here. I did want to hop on here just to close the vlog out, to tell you guys thank you for watching. That was our snow day. Yeah, I missed a big part of it. I ended up having to do, I ended up having to do a little bit of work, and you guys missed the whole part where I filmed a video and did this look, but we're here. So yeah, I guess that is it, and until next time. I knew those were gonna hang down. And I guess until next time, bye.